Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, May 8th. Wow, halfway through the week here. Kind of a little of the same today. Nothing on that economic calendar today. This week has been basically run by geopolitical news, so today's no difference. I made a mistake. Stock market, it was up for the most part. Dow is starting to slip down to negative territory, so my apologies, I forgot to change this. But the stock market is actually up a little bit today, rebounding a little bit from the big losses yesterday. Now, of course, the thoughts are still on China. We had the negotiations. There were cues of trying to renegotiate after what they already negotiated, reneging on what was already agreed on the agreement, and so the U.S. has kind of warned them that they will go ahead and implement the tariffs on Friday, raise from on the $200 billion of goods from 10% to 25%, which is so Iran, China's going to go ahead and bring their people over here to continue with the negotiations. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. So markets are a little bit jittery, figuring that's not as the negotiations aren't as rosy as they thought it was going to be. They thought it would be a slam dunk, and it's hitting a few bumps and turbulence here, and so it's got the markets a little unstable right now as a result of that. Also, with China, there's reports that came out with their imports exports. Imports seem to increase, but however, their exports decrease. So this is kind of showing a little bit of a global appetite or slowdown a little bit that's going on out there, and uh, obviously that's kind of disappointing markets as well, as they thought that maybe China might go ahead and show some improvement or look like because things are slowing down a bit. So obviously they need their exports increased. Also on the news today is Iran kind of announced that they might go ahead and basically break some of the compliance on their nuclear deal that they had arranged with a bunch of the countries there, uh, due to the economy struggling with the U.S. sanctions on them, and that they might go ahead and uh, there's parts of it that they might go ahead and break on there. So, those are the two headline news that are kind of moving the markets today. So let's just see how this is playing out on the bond market. Bond market is up 2 basis points. So basically, it just remains unchanged. It's not enough for it to move one way or the other. It's a very slight move in pricing. Uh, we usually need at least 12 basis points or more to really kind of move it from one rate to change to move the rate at all. So right now, our mortgage rates remain unchanged. 10-year Treasury has slid a little further down. We're down to about 2.45, rounding upwards. Uh, so again, yields are kind of sliding down a little bit further as well. All right, folks. So that's about it. We'll have to conclude here. Again, mortgage rates remain unchanged, uh, and basically geopolitical or news or what's kind of taking center stage on in the markets. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. We'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.